In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default font in Microsoft Outlook if you want every new email you write in Outlook to automatically use your preferred font style, size, and color. This is a quick setting that can make your messages look more consistent and save you time in the long run. We'll be doing this directly from the Outlook web inbox, and once the setting is updated, your future emails will use the new formatting by default. To begin, go to your Outlook email inbox. Make sure you're on the main mail screen before continuing, since that's where you'll be able to access the settings for composing messages. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This opens the panel where Outlook keeps many of its display and writing preferences. From there, click on Compose. This section controls how your emails are written and formatted, so this is where you can change the default appearance of your messages. Next, find the font drop-down menu and click it to view the available font options. Outlook gives you a selection of fonts to choose from, and this setting determines the default typeface used when you create a new message. Now click on your new font. Choose the one that best matches the tone you want for your emails. For example, a simple and clean font is usually best for professional communication, while readability should always be your top priority. After choosing the font style, click on the font size drop-down and select a new font size. This controls how large or small your text will appear by default. A moderate size is usually easiest to read, especially if you send messages to different people across various devices. Next, click on the color drop-down. This lets you choose the default text color for your outgoing emails. In most cases, a standard dark color works best for clarity and professionalism. Then click on a new color from the available options. If you're selecting a color for business use, it's a good idea to keep it subtle and easy to read against a white background. Once you're happy with your font, size, and color choices, click Save. This is the final step that applies your changes. If you skip saving, Outlook won't keep the new formatting settings. And that's it. Your default font settings in Microsoft Outlook have now been updated. The next time you compose an email, Outlook should automatically use the formatting you selected. If needed, you can always return to the same compose settings page later and adjust them again.